Guys, welcome back to Cheesy Crafts. Today I have this video showing you a few layouts that I'm going to be putting together super easy for my niece's album. This is the second one that I was going to do, and I've already selected the paper that I'm going to be used. This is the color combination. This is Dream Big by Simple Stories. So these are like my background pages that I'm going to be using, but these are going to be the main focus. So you get a 12 by 12 with these 4 by 4, and that's honestly going to be a majority of my background. And then I found this one that I wish I would have seen it when I did the other album, because these are already 2 by 2, so these are perfect for these little pockets, these right here. Like I said, I wish I kind of would have paid attention when I was doing the first album, but it's okay. They don't, I mean, they're sisters, but I don't want them exactly the same, so it's kind of okay. So these 4 pages is what I'm going to be working with. I do have leftover. This is the scraps from the first album, so I'm gonna leave these here handy just so I could see what I use or don't use. I have the ephemera right here from the collection. I have the tag that was given to me in the box swap, and then I have my chipboard stickers here. And like I said, these are a mixture of different brands of pages. Some of them are We Are Memories, and then some of them are American Craft, or they already came with the album. So I think for this one I am going to start with one of these and put that in the center so that I could put the sequin, not the sequin, but the like the sprinkles in one of them and then sew it. So I'm gonna put you guys on speed mode because my kids are off, and so is my husband, and I know that I'm gonna be interrupted. It always happens. It doesn't bother me, but I just know that I always get stopped or interrupted for something, and so that's why I'm putting you guys on speed mode. I'm going to be using this tool and then just little ribbon that was given to me also from the box swaps, and like I said, the little tag, and add that in there. So okay guys, I'm going to change you over to speed mode, like I said, only because everybody is home, and I know it always happens that they come looking for something or needing something, and I usually have to stop and take care of them. So let's get started. finished the layout or looking at a few layouts, I am going to do the final flip through on this album. And so you guys already saw how we created this. I ended up using two of these little clips to help me secure the tag on the bottom and on the top, because I had to wait until this tacky glue was dry so that it could kind of hold everything together. I didn't want to, well, honestly, I'm sure you can, but I didn't want to hand sew through the album, so I just kind of had to work with what I have. So this glue is perfect. Once it's dry, it's there, you guys. So good to go on that one. Just wanted to show you that I did have to kind of clip this stuff together while it dried. Or put something heavy. I guess that would have worked as well. I tried to do it, but it really wasn't working. I guess it wasn't heavy enough, so that's why I used the clips. Anyway, so here is, like I said, I used the same collection, but as I did for the first album, but I just wanted to do like different layouts. So I started this one with like a full 4x4 picture. And then I added the little sprinkles in here instead of at the back. And for this one, I just stapled a little bit of the leftover of the tulle that I had. I've just been playing with tulle a lot lately, and I really love the way it accentuates. Is that how you pronounce it, babe? What? Accentuate or accentuates? It accentuate. He's giving me a class over there, you guys. Okay, honey, I got it. Thank you. You're giving me a whole class. You guys know what I meant. So I just feel like it adds just the extra special touch to the layout. So I added that in here, and then look, you could just pull the thing. But like I said, at the beginning, I was gonna try to convince my sister to get them a camera so they could put their own little pictures in here, but I think I might just go get it for them since it's Christmas anyway. So like I said, so that's why these are blank, is for that they could add their own pictures. And I just love this idea. Like, I should be doing this way sooner. So I added this here as well, and then that's a big donut. So super cute picture, love it. And then this one of her and her sister. Some of the pictures are repetitive because, like I said, I wanted to add like a few pictures of both of them together. So just another look. And then I used this empty space to add the handmade letter I wrote for her. And then look at this one, you guys. I just put a little bit of the tulle with this type of glue, so that once it dries, it's not visible and it's pretty secure, and it just adds a little bit to the page, just like a sparkle of glitter on that side. So I added that, although I put it backwards though because of the little fairy down there. And then that one, this layout, super cute. This one. For her, I kind of wanted to simulate making a tag, so I stapled some ribbon up here instead of making like the label like I did on the other one. So just added that, and then that's the final look. And that is our complete little album. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching and get inspired to do. I am like really falling in love with these little mini albums because one, it's like so easy to put together, but two, which I think is something that I'm gonna consider, is you can make these little minis into single driven events. Does that make sense? Like you could scrapbook or be done if like single events. I don't know how to explain that. Like if you guys go to let's just say like Disneyland. Well, no, Disneyland, we go overboard and take super long pictures. But if you go on a vacation somewhere, and let's say the vacation's like 2 weeks, that could be like a single event to be able to record everything so quickly on these little albums. I don't know. I just absolutely love the fact that it's so quick and easy, you guys. But anyways, I just went on a rant. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the layouts, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.